As an artist, I hope that my images are full of a sense of touch and that they're not always immediately graphically readable, so that people are encouraged to look a little bit more slowly and to draw on that more latent knowledge of the world that we all have through touch to find recognition within the works. So this work is about, it's from a frayed piece of blue plastic rope that I found on the edge of the road. And I hoped to take a cast of it in gelatin, but in fact what happened was that this contact between these two materials was so strong and so sticky that I couldn't separate them again. And so what happened was that the plastic became encased in this brittle, hard, dry gelatin. And as a viewer, one follows the lines of this plastic, almost like a line drawing, and looks at that kind of intimacy it has with this black resinous background that holds it. And so this started as a very small piece, but a year later I developed it by scanning it, and the scan itself kind of gave that journey of the eyes along these pieces of the frayed strands of the plastics a kind of hyper quality, and gave the most amazing visualization to the touch between these two materials. The bubbles, the dust, the greasy fingerprints of my hands trying to control the interaction. And so although it looks like this is a digital space and this dark space of kind of inert, the inert scanner, in fact it's an intensely material space. And so I hope that kind of is partly a frustration, but also a jog to the viewer about the kind of intense materiality of the world.